Let us start working on problem number 10. Right here the question is what? The HCF of two numbers is 20 and their LCM is 120. If one number is 60, find the other, right? So this is similar to the previous problem only that you know now. So HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers, that is product of two numbers, right? So HCF they have given, that is going to be 20 and LCM is 120, and the product of two numbers, let me consider it is x into y. There are two numbers, that is one number I will consider it as x and second number is y. The first number they have given, that is 60, so second number we need to find out. So therefore the second number is equal to 20 into 120 by 60. Now simplify it here, 60 ones are 62s are, so 20 into 2, so 20 into 2 is going to be 40, the other number is 40, right? Option A is the right one.